Hey, it's Thomas DeLauer and welcome back to Apple Cider Vinegar Challenge Week. In case you couldn't tell by the title of this video, I have an awesome nighttime apple cider vinegar recipe for you to use. Okay, this is a cocktail of all kinds of different ingredients that are gonna help you out with digestion and also help fatty acid mobilization so that your body can burn fat while you sleep, but also help you feel quite a bit better and get rid of some of that bloating that we don't necessarily want. All right, so I want to make sure that you know that in the description, we've got links to all the different videos from Apple Cider Vinegar Challenge Week. So you're going to see them down below, so don't worry if you missed one. But for now, let's get right down to what we are using in today's recipe. All right, so I've got 10 to 12 fluid ounces of water again. It can be warm, it can be cool, it doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start right off with the star of the show this time. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons, or roughly that, of apple cider vinegar in. The reason we want the apple cider vinegar this time is simply we're leveraging the digestive component of it. You see, apple cider vinegar has a lot of enzymes in it that actually helps you digest. So this is really good in the nighttime after you've broken a fast or after you've had a larger dinner. It's gonna help you materialize some of that food into actual muscle tissue and really use it the right way your body wants to rather than just having it sit in your gut, making you feel bloated. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some kombucha. You can add as much as you want. You know, people drink these full bottles of this stuff, but I'm just gonna add a couple tablespoons. I'm probably gonna add like 2 or 3 tablespoons. The stuff you actually, it can be pretty good. It's a little bit powerful, but it does a lot of different things. What it does is it puts the good bacteria back in your gut. Okay, so what we're trying to do here is we're trying to help digestion, and then we're trying to put the good bacteria back in the gut so it overpowers the bad bacteria, therefore giving us a much more powerful digestive drink here. Okay, then, you ever see these little things at the store? This is ginseng. You see, ginseng is a very unique herb. What ginseng does is it's known to help balance out the mind in terms of energy. So when you're having something to drink at night, you don't want to be having caffeine. You know, like in the previous recipe that I showed you yesterday with the morning drink, we got the caffeine, we got that energy boost, we got that fat burning. But today, we're looking for something that's still gonna allow our brain to feel good and have energy, but nothing that's gonna keep us awake or give us the jitters. So ginseng is perfect. So I use one of these little things that you can get at the store for literally like 30 cents, any regular health food store, or you can get straight ginseng root powder somewhere too. I popped the top off, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna add it in there. Go ahead and use a full one. Then I've got the juice of half a lemon. The reason we're using the lemon here is, again, to aid in digestion. In case you haven't realized, this is a hardcore digestion booster. Okay, what we're getting out of the lemon here is we're getting pectin, so it's gonna help slow down the digestion of certain fats, therefore making it so that they don't cause any issues in the body, but it also is putting the right kind of acid back in the stomach, so it's gonna help you digest a little bit. And then we have the last ingredient. We only need 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of good old-fashioned cinnamon. Cinnamon helps lower your blood sugar. It's actually shown to lower your insulin levels. So this means you're gonna have less of a negative impact after you eat a meal. So by having this in here, it makes it so that once you eat something, you're not gonna have as much of the carbohydrate impact. This one doesn't mix quite as well because cinnamon tends to float to the top, but we can at least get the process done. So this is something that you can drink right after dinner. Tomorrow, I've got a special treat for you. I've got the 2 recipes that I made, the one I made yesterday, the one I made today, and I'm gonna have a couple people come back here and try these drinks out and let me know what they think about them. That way we truly know how good they are, how they make someone feel. So make sure you check back tomorrow for the rest of Apple Cider Vinegar Takeover Week, the good old challenge where I'm gonna show you everything that it has to do with apple cider vinegar. And remember, all the links to the previous videos are in the description, and I will see you tomorrow.